Welcome back to Unboxing Nature. My name's your host, Animal Insanity. We've got the third amphibian all this year, all this summer, in my own backyard. But this is not Toad Insanity, this is Frog Insanity 1. The American green tree frog. He just blends right in. Do 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 do. And you can hardly tell he's there. He gone. This guy was literally in my watering can. I went to fill up the watering can, and he hops out. And I decided not to include any cats or dogs in this video because I read up on the American green tree frog, and at least in dogs, they can make your dog sick. They're not considered poisonous to humans. Where's my focus? Okay. Yeah, there's cases of dogs that have eaten them or licked them, and as a defense mechanism, they secrete a toxin through their skin. It's not lethal. It's not going to kill a dog, but it can make the dog vomit or have diarrhea. Diarrhea, doggo. But as we mentioned in Toad Insanity 2, the main difference between a frog and a toad, a frog's hind legs are longer than the rest of its body combined, and they have smooth skin instead of bumpy skin. Very excited to have been visited by an American green tree frog. I'm gonna put him in a tree and let him be. Frog Insanity. Bloop. Alright, he's kind of chilling a little bit. He's probably hot and tired.